Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some fruit and veggie prep, and we're also going to be cleaning the fridge, so there'll be some good befores and afters, and hopefully it'll be motivating and satisfying for you. If you don't know me, my name is Anna. Every time that I watch those videos where they're like cleaning the fruit and vegetables and doing like food prep and stuff like that, I find it so satisfying, so I thought I would go ahead and film my process of washing the fruit and veggies. So I have like some strawberries, grapes, watermelon, broccoli. So let's go ahead and get started. We're also going to be cleaning the fridge today. I cleaned it out and created a system a while back, and it's been working really well for us, but it's just gotten messy and unorganized again. So I'm going to clean it all out and try to get it back to how it was. So I hope that you enjoy the befores and afters, and let's get cleaning. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you soon in a new video.
Bye. Bye. Bye.